Have you also been struggling in the kitchen, grinding spices over and over again? Or does the loud noise of your old mixer annoy you every single time? Well, it's time to put an end to that. Because in today's video, I'm going to show you the top 5 best mixer grinders in India for 2025. These machines are not just powerful, but also smooth, durable, and pocket-friendly. They come with strong motors, sharp blades, and even low noise technology. So whether it's dry masalas, chutneys, or shakes, everything gets ready in just minutes. And since these are built with the latest features, they'll not only make your kitchen smarter, but also save you a lot of time every day. Now we all know the market is flooded with mixer grinders, but honestly most of them look good only from the outside. The real challenge is when you try to grind tough ingredients like turmeric, dry pulses, or coconut. That's when you realize which mixer is actually worth your money. So what you really need is a grinder that is fast, doesn't overheat, consumes less electricity, and lasts for years. That's exactly why I've put together this list of the 5 best mixer grinders, carefully picked according to performance, durability, and budget. All the Best Buy links with lowest prices are given in the description, so don't forget to check them out. And make sure you stick around till the end, because by then you'll know exactly which one is right for you. Starting the list at number 5, we have the Bajaj Rex Mixer Grinder. It's a compact yet efficient machine designed for everyday use. It comes with 3 stainless steel jars that can easily handle dry masalas, wet pastes, or milkshakes. Powered by a 500-watt motor, it can grind even tough ingredients like ginger and turmeric without much effort. The multifunctional blade system makes grinding smoother and more efficient, while Bajaj's NutriPro technology helps preserve the original taste and nutrients of your food. You also get a 3-speed control knob for better precision. Its sturdy ABS plastic body looks simple yet premium, and it comes with a 2-year warranty. At around 2,400 rupees, this one is a value-for-money deal for small families and bachelors. At number 4 is the Murphy Richards Icon Superb Mixer Grinder. This one looks stylish and performs equally well. It comes with 4 stainless steel jars, including a juicer jar, so you can make juices as well as grind spices. Its 750-watt motor handles hard ingredients like coconut and lentils easily, without overheating or stalling. It has a 3-speed control knob, along with a pulse option that gives you more control over texture. Whether you want a coarse paste or a fine one, this mixer delivers. The premium dark grey finish makes it a great fit for modern kitchens, and it comes with a 1-year warranty. If your budget allows and you want something versatile with a juicer, this is a great pick. Next at number 3 is the Philips HL7707 Mixer Grinder with Food Processor. This is more than just a mixer. It's a complete 3-in-1 multitasking machine. You get 4 high-quality jars that can take care of grinding, blending, food processing, and juicing. Its 750-watt motor is strong enough for heavy tasks like grinding hard masalas or kneading dough. The food processor attachment makes chopping, slicing, and grating very easy, while the juicer jar helps you prepare fresh juices at home in no time. With a strong ABS body, advanced blade system, and a user-friendly control knob, Philips ensures both durability and convenience. Priced around 7,500 rupees with a 1-year warranty, this is perfect for those who want a premium all-in-one solution for their kitchen. At number 2 is the Preeti Zodiac MG218 Mixer Grinder, which is almost like a professional-level appliance. It comes with 5 different jars, including a 3-in-1 InstaFresh juicer and a MasterChef food processor jar. It runs on the Vega W5 motor with 750 watts of power, capable of grinding turmeric in just 2 minutes and kneading dough in bulk with ease. The MasterChef jar makes chopping, grating, and slicing effortless, while the InstaFresh juicer ensures pulp-free juice. The sleek black and grey design adds a premium look to your kitchen. What makes it stand out is the 5-year motor warranty along with lifetime free service. If you want a powerful mixer that can grind, juice, and process food all in one, this is an amazing choice. And finally at number 1 we have the Bosch TrueMix Pro Mixer Grinder. This one is truly in a different league. It features a 1000-watt high-flux motor that can handle any heavy grinding task, from hot spices to dry fruits. Its unique stone-pounding blade system mimics traditional grinding, which means your spices retain their authentic flavor and aroma. It comes with 4 jars, including a juicer, and has active flow breaker technology that gives you extra fluffy batter for idlis and doklas. The black premium finish, sturdy ABS body, suction feet for stability, and locking lids all make it easy and safe to use, even hands-free. It also has overload protection to safeguard the motor. Priced at around 6,400 rupees with a 2-year warranty, this is the most premium and reliable option in the list. So that's it, friends. These were the top 5 mixer grinders in India for 2025. Each one has its own specialty. Some are perfect for budget buyers, while others are designed for heavy-duty or professional-level use. Let me know in the comments which one you think suits your kitchen best. All direct buying links with the best offers are in the description, so don't forget to check them out. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to Best Picks India. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming top 5 lists. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.